Guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Nandito na pala ako sa bahay. Kaya etong namin dinner namin ni Mahal. Salamat Mahal sa dinner na ginawa mo. Ito siya. Kaway ka Mahal. Hey. Ayan guys ang dinner namin. May biko, may kanin, may manok, tapos may sausawan. Yun. Ano yun? Adobo.
Dinuguan?
Oh, dinuguan pala, sorry yan. Diba? Ang sarap-sarap. Kain tayo guys.
Let's make you a captain.
Kain.
First bite. Bismillah.
How's the new chemo going, sir?
Ako lang kasi ayaw ni
Pounds, please.
Mahal magpa-ano, magpa-video. Kain tayo guys. Isda lang ang ulam ko. Saka chicken.
To my wife about all the dangerous things I've been doing on this job, and now she thinks that I'm
Kahapon kasi to,
You're
diraba.
busy right now. I'm ill.
Hindi na kami nagluto. Sayang naman, di ba? Mahal, lagyan mo ng sausa. Ay, mayonnaise.
Feeling better.
Ay,
Say, you shouldn't keep things from family. Okay.
Saan tayo?
What's with yours?
Salmon. Itong paborito ko.
When you told your wife about all this, that you wanted to change careers, how'd that go?
Sausaw ng ay, tuyo.
Dinuguan, di ko niluto
I knew
yun
that this was the right thing.
Ano lang to?
Binigay lang yun sa
Yan lang
kanila.
ng kapitbahay.
Dito lang guys. Ciao.